Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. I hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving celebration. I'm back with some happy mail. This special mail comes from Lori from Petey Pie Designs, and this is entry number 2 for my Christmas challenge giveaway. She's also put the hashtag Paper Confessions giveaway there. And this challenge is going on until December 10th. I'll pick 2 winners December 15th. It's open only in the US at the moment. So you have to be a visible subscriber, create a VR, send any of the 3 items here, and no extras needed. So I am excited to see what Lori sent. Last time I'd shown you what Christine from Kawaii Memo Love sent me. It was a beautiful boho style snippet roll. So if you want to see it, check it out in my giveaway playlist. All right, I'm excited. Lori created a VR, and thank you so much for that VR, Lori. And again, VRs are optional just because I know some of my subbies don't really have channels. Some of them only have Instagram or don't have either of those social platforms. So, oopsie, sorry about that. Here it is. Let's open it up. If you are not familiar with Lori's channel, she's a journal maker. She has beautiful journals in her own Etsy shop. And she also has joined so many of our collaborations. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? Let's open up the card. And she has also done some other open collaborations here on YouTube. Look at this beautiful card. That is gorgeous. It's a gorgeous girl, like a little die cut set, and I love the colors you picked in here. Let me read this. It says, Karamia, this challenge was a lot of fun to make. I hope you get lots of crafty goodies. Lori, Petey Pie Designs. Thank you so much, Lori. And this card was actually handcrafted by Marissa, so it was gifted to her, but she has shared it with me. Thank you so much. I love it. I see some items here. It looks like we have some shaker bits in our Christmas bell, and they are beautiful star sequins. Love it. I will be using this in a holiday project. I think I see it, but let's pull out some of the other goodies first. She's shared this beautiful fabric rosette. I love the button on there, and I can definitely attach it to the front of a journal. It's actually a hidden paper clip. This is super fun. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Thank you so much. Love it. And what else has she shared? Oh my, beautiful butterfly from Gilded Age timeline. Love this. Thank you. That is so pretty. I think this is it. Oh my gosh. I think it's shabby chic. Let's take a look. Oh my gosh. Check this out, guys. I am loving the beautiful appliques. Look at the beads that she's sewn in there, and you can see the layers underneath. How pretty is this? Oh, it's super shabby chic. It is just beautiful. I love that you added these faceted beads. Can you see that? And there's like pink and blues, and those are some of my favorite colors. I love baby blue. There's the yellow and the pinks. Oh my gosh, Lori, this is gorgeous. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. Thank you so much. And in addition, she has also shared a few more extras. And again, guys, extras are not necessary, but always appreciated. But you don't have to send me any. Look at how she's packaged this beautiful shaker, and I love that she's used mesh on the top. She has this beautiful little bag topper, and she had Santa on top. Isn't that fun? And then here's the back side. Let me see what the other one is. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. Look at the way she's put the doily. We have the candy canes, and she's made me a Memory Decks card. Let me check if there's some information on the back here. So let me open this up. Look at this gorgeous Memory Decks card that she made for me. I love all the shaker bits. And there's a Gingy, there's a deer, and a beautiful ornament there. This is on the back. We have her beautiful logo, Petey Pie Designs. She also made me an ATC card, so she made all 3. Oh my gosh, Lori, This is so sweet of you. So this is an ATC card. If you're not familiar with ATCs, it's an artist trading card. And she's made me a shaker style one with these beautiful little buttons that she's attached on the top, or I think flat backs. But that is awesome. And I am just amazed again at these beautiful pieces that you have shared with me. Thank you very much. Here is another look at the gorgeous Shabby Chic snippet roll that she's made me. Just beautiful. I hope you guys showed Lori some love. Check out her channel. She recently also hosted her giveaway, and it was so much fun to join it, and I'm sure she'll have more in the future. She has amazing project shares and hauls and swaps and collaborations. So much fun to see in her channel, and I'm so happy to see it growing as well. So I hope you guys can head on over to Petey Pie Designs. Thanks again for watching, guys. And again, big thank you to everyone that's joined so far in my giveaway. You still have time, so I'll link all the information up here. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye.